Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use alter table statement to add, modify and drop columns. Here we have 6 practices: alter EMP underscore copy table and add a new column called manager ID number of 7. Let us first describe the table before the addition. EMP underscore copy and run the statement. Here we go, we have 5 columns. Let us alter the table to add a new column. Alter table EMP underscore copy, add and open brace, specify the column definition, which is manager ID number of 7. Run the alter statement. Table altered. Describe again the table. As we can see now, there is a new column, manager ID number of 7. The second practice, alter table depth underscore copy, change the size of the column department underscore name to varchar 225. Let us first describe the structure of the table before the alter. Describe depth underscore copy, run the statement. As we can see, the table contains 3 columns: department ID number of 7, department name varchar 220, and the location ID is number 4. We want to change the department name to varchar 2, the size 25. So we can use alter table statement, alter table depth underscore copy, modify, and then the column name, department underscore name, and varchar 2 here, and the size 25. Once finished, run the alter statement. As we can see, table depth underscore copy altered. Describe the table again. Here, as we can see, before the alter department name varchar 220, after run the alter table statement, department name now varchar 225. The third practice here, alter table EMP copy, drop column name manager ID. So here we want to alter the table EMP underscore copy, drop, and specify the column that you want to drop, which is manager underscore ID. Run the statement. Here we go, table EMP underscore copy altered. Let us describe the table again, EMP underscore copy, and run the statement. As we can see, manager underscore ID is no longer exist at the table. In the fourth practice, alter table depth underscore copy, rename the column department underscore name to depth underscore name. So we can run alter table statement, rename column department underscore name to depth underscore name. Run the statement, and here we go, table depth underscore copy alter. Describe the table again. So as we can see, depth underscore name changed from department underscore name to depth underscore name. The fifth practice here, change the table depth underscore copy to read only and try to insert a record. What you notice. So let's change the table to read only. Alter table depth underscore copy, read only. Then run the statement. As we can see, table depth underscore copy altered. Try to run an insert statement. Insert into depth underscore copy values, the department ID, for example 1, department name IT, and the location ID, for example 1000. Try to run the insert statement. As we can see, it failed. Update operation not allowed on table depth underscore copy. An attempt was made to update a read-only materialized view or a table. So if the table is in a read-only mode, that means you cannot do any DML operation on the table. The last practice, change the table depth underscore copy to read write and try to insert a record. So let us change the table back to read write and run this statement again. As we can see, table altered. Try to insert a record. The insert statement, as we can see, succeed. So in this practice, we learned how to use alter table statement to add, drop, modify columns, and to change the table from read only to read write, or from read write to read only. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.